want to show you how to play Heavenly Sunlight, 19th century gospel hymn. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to letternoteplayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with that introduction. We're in the key of C, so you're going to have a C chord and a G7. Only I'll play the G7 a lot of times B, D, F, or B, F, G. B, F, G. Leave out the D. Here's your G7. 1, 3, 5, 7 on G. So we can leave out that D because a lot of times it's in the melody. We'll just play the B, F, and the G. And I'm doing that in the introduction. I go C, and then E, G, and then I go to the G7 and back to C, E, then arpeggio C chord. So in the right hand we're going to go just like the end of the chorus. So we've got G, A, G, E, C, D, E, D, C. Now with the left hand in there together, it's so your left hand, you're just going to go C, E, G, B, F, G. And then we've got the melody. Now the melody is G, A, B, C, C for the verse, E, D, C, D, G, G, A, G, E, C, E, D, C, D, G, A, B, C, C, E, D, C, D, G, G, A, G, E, C, D, E, D, C. And then the chorus is G, 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 A, F, F, G, A, G, E, G, 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 E, E, D, C, D, G. Usually congregations will hold that G right there. Then G, down an octave, G, A, B, C, C, E, D, C, D, G, G, A, G, E, C, D, E, C. And then I'll end it with an arpeggio, and you can just go up with the right hand, just roll that E, G, C. So now let's put that with the left hand. So you just get the C, E, G. So you got G, D, G. Just an open fifth there. Leave out the third. G, D, G. Thing, C, E, G. And so then when I end that phrase, I go to that G7 sound and B, F, G. So you can go from a C chord to a G7 just by changing two notes. Back down to same thing. So there I'm just going to hit the G7 and go right to the arpeggio and end the arpeggio with my right hand. Then we go to the chorus, 3 Gs. So F, C, F. Now there's our first time we've used the F chord in there. We've got the C chord, we got the G chord, and now we've got the F chord. So all we're going to play is the F, C, F. Leave out the A. We don't need it. It just makes it sound a little more muddy down there. So we got arpeggio again. F, C, F. Then C, E, G. Just repeat the C chord. Play that straight up, that 7th chord, G, B, D, F, or you can play it up and then add the F in there, add the 7th in there. Either way it works. So you can play it that way or sing more verses of if you sing more stanzas, all you got to do is repeat that. Heavenly Sunlight, I hope you enjoy playing it.